Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. My name is Mr. Noe. I hope that you and your family are doing great, happy, and healthy during this time. This is such a special time. This is Christmas week. Congratulations also on finishing up school for 2020. I know this was a challenging year, but you've completed it. Congratulations. And so we're gonna talk a little bit in terms of our lesson today, and we're gonna focus on obviously having joy, and also the Christ light that we have inside of us. So just a small affirmation that you can repeat at night or during the morning. You could just say, "I light up the world by being exactly who I am," and you are special. That's the greatest thing that you have to realize is that you're a special person. Maybe you like to sing. Maybe you like to color. It could maybe cooking with your parents, your grandparents, something maybe you love to do. Don't be afraid to be who you are. That's why the light always shines outward. Okay, so we're gonna be talking about some words that we can relate by looking at a candle, and we have I have three candles with me, and make sure you have supervision, adult supervision, if you're gonna light it up. I have them here, but they're not lit up. I'm just more for illustration. So the first one, okay, it's a small one. It smells really good, and we're gonna talk. This is one of the first candles. We have three of them. And on the first one, we're going to say, this candle represents trust and promise. Okay, our words mean something. So if you're gonna say you're gonna trust something, or you're gonna make a promise, make the effort to keep it. Okay, your word means a lot. The second one, okay, it's this other one. I got it because it's the color red, and this color, or this candle, smells really good too. This candle represents love and wisdom. Remember, your parents, your grandparents, your aunts and uncles, they have this unconditional love for you. And also, maybe you have a pet. It could be a dog that as soon as you open the door, the dog just runs at you. It's because they have that unconditional love, towards maybe you, your family, your mom or your dad or your grandparents. Animals, they do that to us. So now, candle number two is, again, this candle represents love and wisdom. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the third one, and the third one represents, so it's very small, represents peace and insight. We have to be at peace with each other. Always look at the positive. And also, if somebody gives you any sort of insight or advice, they're doing that to help you out. Maybe it's that, kind of mentioned to you, you should clean up after your toys, or maybe it could be something else. It could be maybe helping somebody out. But if they're telling you that is because of they're just trying to give you great advice. Okay, and have one other small one here. Actually, not that small one, but this is the color white. Also smells really good. And on this one, this is going to represent joy and the Christ of light. Okay, we always have joy inside of us, and the Christ of light is always with us. Okay, always remember that light shines outward. And being that this is a special week of Christmas week that we have coming up, there's also something that's very unique that hasn't happened in 800 years. On December 21st, which is a couple of days from now, is you're gonna have Jupiter and Saturn literally, like, they're going to be next to each other, and they're going to create this super star. It's going to be really, really bright. So I would encourage you, hopefully weather permitting, that obviously be with an adult, your parents, grandparents maybe, at night, and they might be able to help you in terms of finding where it is, depending where your house is. And look up in the sky. You're gonna see this bright light. Okay, and it's such a unique experience. It only has, remember, it happened 800 years ago. So maybe this is something special that you can be a part of. And the other big thing is, it could be, light is looking at you. Okay, that could be God showing you that He's there. He's always listening to you, and that you are a bright shining star. So I just wanted to share that with you, that this is a unique situation where it's a very, very special time that you could be a part of and experience. Again, enjoy the time off, and congratulations for getting through this school year for 2020. Stay healthy. We only wish you the best, being happy and having great joy. And remember that Christ is always with you. Okay? So enjoy the time with your family. Have a Merry Christmas, and stay healthy. And always remember, light shines outward, and always be willing to help whenever possible. And, let that special person inside come out. All right, guys, enjoy the time. Have an awesome Christmas week, and hopefully you get to experience the super star on December 21st. We'll catch you on the next lesson. Okay, bye bye.